Hi, this is Brooklyn Shoe Babe, aka Keisha. I am your friendly neighborhood young adult services librarian, sex positive feminist, mom of 2 teenagers, hard BTS stan, a collector of pretty boys, handsome women, and handsome men. And I'm very excited today because I'm doing my second unboxing of a BTS album. My first one was B back in November when it came out, and now I'm doing the CD with the film out song on it, BTS the Best. Am I saying that right? Yes, the Japan CD. I didn't buy the whole box set. I just bought the CD, and I ordered it from YesAsia.com, which my daughters made fun of me for because they said that wasn't a real website. But it is. It's not a bootleg website. And here it is, a traditional CD. The CD itself cost me $28. I forget how much shipping was, but since it was coming from Asia, I think I totally paid for it maybe $42. Okay, it doesn't say on the receipt, but I know it was close to $42 with the shipping. Now, I did pre-order the Butter CD that's coming out in July. So that's a box, and that should have lots of cool things in it. But let's see what's in the CD. By the way, since my original BTS unboxing of B, I have gone on to purchase all of their studio albums in either digital or CD format. Only one I haven't done the 2 first EPs, but I have done all the regular CDs. Not all like the versions of them, just mostly all of them. So I got B, and then I got Map of the Soul 7, then I got Love Yourself Answer, then I went and got The Greatest Moment in Life, and then I got Dark and Wild on MP3, and then I ordered, but I didn't order the 2 EPs, but eventually I probably will get School Love Affair and Dark and Wild on CD, because Dark and Wild is starting to become my favorite BTS album since I joined ARMY last year. So in case you didn't know, I'm a pandemic baby, ARMY. Technically joined in October, even though I knew who BTS was since 2018. I have a bias pyramid, so the top of my pyramid is J-Hope, followed by RM, who's my ultimate bias, and then Jin, who's my original OG bias. My bias records are really OT7, but if I had to rank them, it would be Sugar, then Jungkook, then Taehyung, and then Jimin. I kind of just want to be best friends with Jimin, and I just kind of want to hang out with Jimin. Maybe just kind of hang out with Jungkook for sometimes, because sometimes he reminds me of my daughter, so that feels a little weird. Okay. Oh, and speaking of Jungkook, I got this photo card. This came out the album, and this looks like pre-tattoo pierced Jungkook. So this feels like an actual photo. It's very thick. This is the album cover. Traditional CD case, and BTS purple. Here's the CD booklet. Oh, something else is in there. Oh, another Jungkook photo card. It's blonde Jungkook, and something that I can turn in at Universal Music Japan, but I don't know because I don't speak Japanese. Group shot. Very lovely. I love BTS in suit blazers, especially Hobie. It is a 2-disc set, and it looks like there's 10, 12, 32. So a total of 33 songs. And it looks like the lyrics are in Japanese, because again, this is the Japanese versions of their songs, which I don't have. All the albums that I've purchased, they're just the Korean versions. So here's this one, and there's this too. Just like an old school DVD, CD player CDs that I used to buy like in the 90s. Because I didn't start buying CDs until the 90s because I couldn't afford a CD player until I started working and graduated from college in 1995. That's how old I am. I am 48 years old. I graduated from college in 1994. But I've been a boy band aficionado fan since the 80s, going back to New Edition, New Kids on the Block, Backstreet Boys, Soul For Real, High Five, Troop, even a little bit of the Jacksons, also Boyz II Men. I count Boyz II Men in that category. I don't necessarily like calling them boy groups because they're not boys at all. They're, except for like New Edition, maybe when they started, and New Kids on the Block when they started, but they're all like 18. And, you know, they can vote, they can join the draft, they can buy alcohol. So I don't call them boy groups anymore, and I don't call BTS a boy group either, because again, they're all grown men. Like Jin is almost 30. Like, I think it's offensive to keep calling him a boy. But yes, there is a little bit of humor to the fact that technically I could have given birth to all of BTS while in my 20s, instead of a few years ago when it would have been possible to give birth to all of BTS as a teen mom. So I'm very excited to play this today. This is my vacation week from work, so I'll be spending all week learning and listening to the Japanese songs on this CD. Thank you for watching my unboxing. Have a great day. Borohe.